Hello dear students, I hope you all are fine. Today in this video in grammatics we are going to start lesson number 28, punctuation. So let's start. Open page number 124. So yes students, this is your chapter. So what is a punctuation? So punctuation means the marks used in writing that divide sentences and phrases. Okay, we use these marks in sentences to make the meaning clear. Exactly, if we don't use these marks, then we won't be able to understand where we have to take pause and where we are saying some different things with the help of quotation marks and commas. Okay, so there are some punctuation marks. So you can see full stop, comma, semicolon, colon, question mark, exclamation mark, apostrophe, quotation mark. Okay, marks. So what is the use of a full stop? A sentence always begin with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, right? Next one is comma. So what is the use of a comma? The comma is used to show a little pause. It is used matlab when we use like I bought milk comma yogurt then cream and butter. Next, come to the next page, semicolon. Semicolon basically we use for longer pause than a comma. Okay, next colon. Colon represents a more complete pause than the semicolon. Understood? When we have small pauses we use comma. When we have more than a longer pause than a comma we use semicolon, and then colon is used to complete the pause which is more rather than a semicolon, so we use colon, these two dots. Next, question mark. Obviously the question mark is used in place of full stop after a direct question. For example, what do you want, or what are you doing, or where does she live, question mark. Now come to exclamation mark. Exclamation mark means it is used at the end of the word that show joy, sorrow, approval, wonder, means sudden feelings. Okay, next one is apostrophe. Apostrophe is used next on the page to show position, and these are, for example, belongings. You can say these are Amit's book. Okay, and for example in contracted form also we use these this apostrophe like don't, can't, let's. Okay, next we have quotation marks. Quotation marks or inverted commas are used to enclose the exact words of a speaker. For example, Nikita said. What Nikita said? I have passed my examination. Okay, and we are supposed to close this one also. All right, and capital letters obviously we use especially with the some of the important words like with proper noun also we use capital letters. And here it is written that sometimes we begin, means some of the poems you can see they begin each fresh line with the capital letter. Next, turn the page. And to write personal pronoun also we use capital letters. Then for example here it is written to write interjection o, so we use capital letters. Okay, now see the exercise 1. Recognize the punctuation marks and write their names. So student, first one is question mark, second one is exclamation mark, third one is colon, fourth one is semicolon, fifth one is inverted comma, sixth one is comma, seventh one is apostrophe, eighth one is full stop. Okay, now come to the next exercise. In this exercise what we have to do, we have to punctuate, means we have to put full stop, question mark as well as exclamation mark at the end of the following sentences. So the first one you can see, how foolish the man is, exclamation sign. Next, the patient is too sick to stand, full stop. What a pity it is, exclamation sign. He has bought a new car, full stop. Do you know him, question mark. Harish answered all the questions easily, full stop. Okay, turn the page. Next one, do not tell a lie, full stop. Then, did they come here yesterday, question mark. What can we do for them, question mark. Then, these clothes and shoes are very expensive, full stop. Now come to exercise C. In this exercise students, you have to write it down once again, means you have to rewrite, okay, by putting commas at appropriate places. So in question, first one I have done for you, and second, third, fourth, fifth you all have to do by yourself. You can see the commas wherever I have already put. So first one, you must include fruit, vegetables, eggs and dairy products in your diet. So in our diet, so here you can see we must include fruit, comma, okay, here comma is here, then vegetables, comma, likewise you can see egg and dairy products in our diets. Likewise here in second sentence, after reading, after writing, in third sentence after Delhi, Mumbai, then in fourth Nepal, after India, Nepal, then in fifth one you have to put comma after neatly, correctly, okay. Next exercise, exercise D, rewrite the following sentences using apostrophe. Okay, so this is see very carefully, add 4 6s and 8 9s. So how we have to do, after 6s and 9x means 9s, we have to put apostrophe here. Here you can see. Next one is, it is a very difficult question. So it's, we will write like this, it's a very difficult question. Then do not go there, don't go there. Next, I cannot meet him today, I can't meet him today. Next, let us go to the museum, let's go to the museum. Likewise you have to complete. Next one is, rewrite the following sentences by putting colon at appropriate places. So Bacon says, after Bacon says you have to put what, colon here, then you have to continue the same sentence accordingly, whatever it is written. Okay, next one, turn the page. Okay, so the next one is, Edison says, after Edison says you have to put colon here, color, then the inverted commas, colors speak all languages, comma, closed, full stop. Then next one is, their subject this year are the following. Here what you have to put, colon. Next one, India has many large cities, colon. Next was, Thomas Jefferson says, colon. Okay, rest of the sentence you have to write as it is. Next exercise, exercise F, punctuate the following pairs of the following of sentences. Here you have to punctuate, listen carefully. Lord Tennyson, L capital, T capital, was born in okay, Lincolnshire, full stop. Then he was a famous poet. So he means H should be capital. Next one, everybody. So E should be capital, everybody dreams, full stop. All, A capital, all have dreams of names, name, fame, comma, name, fame, comma, and riches in this world, full stop. Next, life is full of experiences. Life, L capital, is full of new experiences, full stop. Then one, O capital, one of them is going to, likewise, going to school for the first time. Okay, next one is, science is a blessing for human beings. So science, S should be capital, human beings, and after that you have to put full stop here. Then it, I should be capital, it has made our life easy and comfortable. Next one, fifth sentence, a sentence is a group of words. So A should be capital, is a group of words, and here you have to put full stop. Then it expresses, so I should be capital, it expresses a complete meaning, full stop. Okay, so punctuate it, very carefully. Now turn the page. We will do the next one also. Let's recall. Then complete the following sentences by writing the correct what, verb in the blanks. Butter and bread is my usual breakfast. Okay, next one, none of the students was selected for the parade. None of the student, okay, means nobody, singular noun. Then either you or he is at fault. So we are going to use the verb according to the second one. All right, every member of family has what, every member of family has pets. Okay, next, the list of items is on the desk. Next one, change the following into passive voice. So how we have to change, our team scored a goal. A goal was scored by our team. I have already explained you each and every chapter in your previous videos. Okay, this is the means overview of all the chapters. All the exercises are combined together. Next one is, they are selling their house. So their house is being sold by them. Next one is, I saw him yesterday. So he was seen by me the previous day. Next one is, they were playing football. So football was being played by them. And the last one is I shall teach you physics. So physics will be taught by you. Physics will be taught to you by me. Okay. Now come to the C exercise. Exercise C, change the following sentences into indirect speech. So student, she says, I have learnt my lesson. So she says that you have to remove those commas, inverted commas, that she has learnt her lesson. Next, she said, I can teach you English. She said that she could teach me English. Full stop. He said to us, why are you making a noise? So he asked us why we were making a noise. Full stop. Next one, he said to his son, stop crying. So he told his son what? To stop crying. Next one, he said to me, which is the road to Delhi? So he asked me which was the road to Delhi. Next one, recognize the adverbs in the following sentences and also write their kind. So these are the adverbs. She speaks truthfully. Okay, adverb of manner, I'll show you. Put them in the basement below. Below what? Adverb of place. Then they met, they must have reached now. Now adverb of time. Then we frequently play tennis. Frequently, adverb of frequency. And the problem is quite. Okay, adverb of degree. This one you all have to complete. Okay, now turn the page. Students, yes, next page, fill in the blanks with correct prepositions. So she is afraid of lizards. I saw a man with grey hair. Do not write with a ballpoint pen. Then they laughed at me. You must return within a week. Likewise, you have to fill. In next exercise, students, these blanks you have to fill, okay, according to this one. Here numbers are already put, so I filled this one and you all have to fill here also. So what is the first one? You can see the river froze. So we have to write the second form. Okay, second form in the sense past tense verb. So freeze means we are going to write here froze. This one, then he write. So he wrote, okay, an email to his cousin in Delhi. Then the third one is, first we are doing across one, then Krish buy. So buy will be converted into bought. So bought and bought a new bicycle. Next, fifth one, Aman give. So give will be changed into gave. Next one is we we drink. So we drank. Here you can see chocolate milk shakes. Okay. Then the last one is the dog sleep on the sofa. So the dog slept. Okay. Now come to the downside. The first one is I find. So it will be found. This one I found. Next one is Mr. Sharma teach his dog to shake hands with people. So taught. Next one is Tiffany blow dash out the candle. So blow will be converted to blew, BLEW. Okay, students, so we have completed all your chapters. In the next video you will be getting letters as well as stories. Okay, so complete your work, keep studying, take care.